Hi everyone, welcome to the Center for Career and Professional Development page. John Jay Careers Online allows you access to opportunities for jobs and internships. In addition to connecting John Jay students to information sessions with employers and access to participate in events such as career fairs, networking opportunities, grad school fairs, and so much more. This introductory video will show you all how to get started on navigating John Jay Careers Online website. So let's get started. In order to find John Jay Careers Online, simply Google John Jay Careers and it will be the first link to generate. You can also find it under the Student Life tab on the John Jay website. Scroll down and click on John Jay Careers login image. This will take you to a new page to sign in. Select student/alumni. In order to sign in, use your John Jay email. This is not the same as your CUNY first login information. For new users, select Forgot Password and you will receive an email to create a new password. If this is your first time signing in, you will be required to fill out the information about yourself and your interests. Make sure to complete this portion since it's part of your profile. On the left-hand side, select My Profile. Here you can update your information. This includes your education, personal statement, experience, organization activities, skills, projects, and honors and awards. We strongly encourage you to complete your profile. This allows employers to get an idea of who you are. Make sure to have your profile completed closest to 100%. When you go back to the home screen, you're able to explore all the resources John Jay Careers Online has to offer. You're able to research for current job and internships. Under the My Credentials tab, you are able to upload your documents such as resume, cover letter, and transcript. Under Events, you're able to see and register for upcoming events hosted by the John Jay Career Center, such as information sessions, workshops, and career fairs. If you're interested in meeting with someone at the Career Center, you can schedule an appointment under the Counseling Appointments tab. Click on Request Appointment, and in order to see all available counselors, leave the appointment type blank. Select your preferred date and time, and then in the comment box, specify the purpose of your appointment. We invite you to start using the John Jay Careers Online website and explore the resources available to you. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach us at careers@jj.cuny.edu.